Hey guys, what can a low credit score cause you? All right, your credit score can cause a few things. Let's get into the information now. So, high interest rates. It can also cause elevated home and auto insurance premiums. It can also cause security deposits on utilities. It can also cause loan rejections, the inability to get a cell phone. Contracts, you need them. Hey, and other inconveniences. So let's break each one down and share why it is important to you to raise your score and get signed on with us today. All right, let's go. High interest rates. So if you don't know, your credit score is the reason why some people are paying $500 and $600 for a Toyota Camry every month. I love Toyota Camrys. They are a safe vehicle. I used to own one, but you shouldn't have to be paying that much for it. So if your credit score is not actually high enough, the company says, we don't trust you, so we're going to actually charge you more. Interest rates, that hurts. You can also be affected with high interest rates on your mortgage or a higher interest rate on your mortgage and other important payments, okay? Bills that you're going to have to pay. Hey, it is what it is. So elevated home and auto insurance premiums. 70% of your auto insurance is, I believe, is dedicated to your actual credit score. So with that being said, you want to make sure that you have a good credit score. And as your credit score is raising, you want to renegotiate these contracts. Go to Geico or whoever and say, hey, my score raised. Let's fix that, all right? Quick little tip. Also, renegotiate, refinance the car, refinance the mortgage. Refinance the loans, all right? Save you hundreds of dollars. By the way, you can save hundreds of dollars when you raise your credit score because of that, all right? Keep that in mind. That's a little tip for you, all right? Moving on. Security deposits on utilities. What people don't know is sometimes, when you move and you have to pay the moving fees and all that, you're going into a new space. Freedom from wherever you was or coming from. It could be your dream home, whatever the case may be. If your credit score is not high enough, whoa. I've seen once an $800 actual deposit for electricity services. You need the electricity, and they're like, hey, we'll take installments, but either way it's going to go. We need to get our money. So that's something you also want to take care of before, preferably before you move, okay? On your next move. Loan rejections. Who likes to be rejected? Not me. I'm married. And trust me, when I asked my wife to marry me, if she would have said no, that was probably why I was talking slow when I said, baby, will you marry me? Because we don't like rejection. So if you're trying to fix needed items in the house and you need a loan from like a warehouse or a department store like Home Depot, whatever the case may be, just to fix things in your house, or you need a loan for any reason, you want to make sure that you're actually getting a good rate, number one, because that's the number one thing we talked about, high interest rates. You want to make sure you're not only going to get a good rate, but you also are going to actually get accepted and not rejected. Hope that helps you guys. And the last thing is the inability to actually get a phone contract. Something so common, those are things that can actually hurt the most. All right, I'll tell you a story. Years ago, I was trying to get a cell phone for myself, and my credit score was not good at the time. So while I'm waiting at Best Buy, and she's running my credit, I'm just kind of sitting there, face like this. But on the inside, I'm like, man, I hope this go through. Woo! I hope this go through. I hope this go through. You do not want that feeling. So when you're ready to work on your credit, hopefully that's today. Look in the description below. What you're going to see is a link, and that's where you can actually schedule me. Get on my schedule. We can do a free consultation for you. Also, if you see yourself helping people in this particular business, small investment, what I want you to do is schedule there as well. We can talk to you about the business. You don't have to sign on. But if this is a good fit and this is something that you could see yourself doing, please take advantage of it. This is something that you need. Extra income will never hurt anybody. Some people are firing their bosses because of it. Some people's bosses have already laid them off because of this time period. So this may be something that you need or somebody else. Last but not least, comment like, share this information. What this gives us the ability to do is get this message out to the people who really need it. You need it. You've listened so far for 5 minutes and 10 seconds. We're going to keep this under 6 minutes. But somebody else needs to hear this as well. Share the information. This may be able to save someone's life. I know that sounds like a drastic statement, but you never know what someone needs in their time of need. You never know what someone is mentally and what a little small piece of help can actually help them to do. Our services are very affordable. Get on my schedule so we can explain how we help our clients, how we look out for them, how our actual plan fits in, and everything that comes with the service all together. Contact me. Looking forward to reaching out to you. Holla. Boom.